Congratulations on completing this course. With your newfound understanding of developing Android and iOS mobile apps with React Native, you can explore opportunities to further your learning and put your skills into practice. Before you move on, let's review some of the key concepts you learned throughout this course. React Native is a framework that allows developers to build mobile applications using JavaScript and React. React Native enables the development of apps that run on both iOS and Android platforms using a single codebase. The hot reloading feature means developers see code changes immediately without having to restart the app. Reusable components make it easy to organize code and keep apps up to date. React Native Internals is a powerful architecture for creating mobile applications by integrating JavaScript and React on Android and iOS seamlessly. Expo is an open-source tool for improving the setup and configuration of React Native. The Expo Go mobile app enables developers to run code tests on real devices. Expo SDK is a set of libraries that add more capabilities to React Native apps. Expo Snack is an app for learning about, testing, and sharing code snippets. Expo CLI optimizes the environment for easy construction and launch of new applications. The components of React Native perform various functions to support and enhance mobile application building. The core components of React Native include view, text, image, button, text input, scroll view, and flat list. React Navigation is a tool for React Native that helps developers implement navigation features in mobile apps. The core components of React Navigation are Navigation Container, Navigators, and Screens. The Android SDK emulator is used to test Android apps without requiring physical devices. The iOS Simulator is a software tool included within Xcode that is designed for application development on macOS and provides a quick and efficient way to test and debug applications across different iOS versions and devices. Styles in React Native can be applied in different ways, and each style type has its own syntax and use. The style types available in React Native are inline style sheets, combined, platform-specific, global, and themed. Flexbox is essential for building responsive layouts in React Native. Styled Components is a popular library in the React ecosystem that allows you to style your components. State management is crucial for developing interactive applications in React Native. Props are a key feature in React Native that allow transmission of data from one component to another, making the components reusable and customizable. Default props are used to set default values for props if they are missed and not passed by the parent component. Context API in React Native enables state management in a global scope. Redux is a state management library for applications, especially those built with React. Redux Toolkit simplifies the setup and usage of Redux by reducing boilerplate code, providing better defaults, and integrating useful tools like Create, Slice, and Configure stores. React Native offers touch events such as the onPress, onLongPress, onPressIn, and onPressOut events. React Native is equipped with PanResponder, a more advanced library for handling complex gestures like dragging, swiping, or multi-touch interactions. Text input and forms are the primary means for users to interact with and provide data to the application. The fundamental component that is used for input in the React Native app is text input, which can exist by itself or as part of a form. Formic and Yup are powerful tools for handling form validation in React Native. Lists are crucial in mobile apps for efficiently displaying multiple items and enhancing user-friendly browsing. In React Native, flat list and section list are the primary components for implementing lists. Pull to refresh allows users to manually refresh the content on the screen by pulling or dragging the screen down with their fingers. Infinite scrolling is a technique used to dynamically load more content as the user scrolls down a list or view. Async storage is a built-in API that offers key value storage for data on mobile devices. React DevTools is the go-to browser extension for monitoring, debugging, and analyzing your applications in real time. Error handling is crucial for stability, maintainability, and user experience in React Native apps. Tools for debugging include React DevTools, Chrome DevTools, and Visual Studio Code's Debugger. An Android Package Kit, or APK file, is used for distributing and installing Android apps. To update your React Native app, you need to create a new APK and install it. Expo Application Services, or EAS build, is used to create APK files. Now that you've reviewed some of the fundamental concepts covered in this course, remember to view each module's glossaries and cheat sheets. You can use these assets to quickly reference much of what you learned. If you haven't already, we encourage you to enroll in the IBM iOS and Android Mobile App Developer Professional Certificate, of which this course is a part. Depending on your schedule and the number of courses you take, you can complete this professional certificate in about 3 to 4 months. This course included several hands-on labs, a practice project, and a final project. By completing the labs, you gained practical exposure to the following topics: setting up the React Native dev environment, using Expo and ExpoGo, creating a basic app, using basic components, using navigation components, working with Android emulator, working with iOS simulator, using Flexbox layout, using styled components, using Context API, using Redux Toolkit, handling form data, validating form data, using Flatlist, using async storage, working with React Dev Tools, debugging common issues, building Android apps using APK files, practice project, final project. We recommend that you continue building on the React Native concepts and skills learned in this course. We hope these guiding principles refine your skills and help you advance in your career. Congratulations on completing this course, and good luck on your React Native learning journey.